Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today I'm coming to you because me and Russell from Russell Model Cars are having a buddy build, and he's already made his video, the intro video, and this is my intro video number 1, and this is what we're building right here. It's the 1960 Corvette from MPC. You can see the box art right there, and I think Russell said something about he's going to make his the drag car. I think that's what he was going to do, drag car. And then I'm going to do the 1960 Sebring winner from 1960 Corvette, and of course the picture's not very good, but I'll put one on there. That's the car that I'm building right there, and I think it won the 24 hours of Sebring, and so that'll be the car that I'm going to build. So before I turn this around and show you what I've done, I just wanted to show you I stopped at an antique shop that I usually frequent, and I got me some more bag deals. Every once in a while I go in there and this guy's got bag kits with no boxes, never been built, and sometimes he has them in there from $5 to $6 a piece, you know, no big deal. And they're old kits too. They're from the 70s and 80s, early 80s, you know, late 70s, mid 70s, whatever. And I'm going to show you real quick what I got before I turn this around and show you anything on that Corvette. Alright, the first one I got here, man, I picked that up for $5.95. Look at that. That is a Monogram Chevy Blazer. It is a 1978 Chevy Blazer, and it's molded kind of. It looks like a maroon metallic or something like that. You know, it's the 70s version. That was cheap, no box. And then the second one I got, and it's a Monogram too, and it's a 1971 Hemi Cuda, and let's see, 70s, early 80s, 1971. Here it is. I think I paid the same price, $5.95. You can see, never been touched. It's just all in the bag. It's molded in orange. And then the last one I got, I think I paid the same price, maybe a little bit cheaper or whatever, but the original issue Volkswagen Scirocco, because it's molded. They've reissued it, but you know, the reissue is molded in white. This is the original issue from the 70s or early 80s, whatever it is, and it's molded in maroon. It's an AMT kit. Yeah, it looks like maroon or a deep red. But I just thought I'd show you all that, and I just wanted to tell Russell that I'm making this first video right here. I've done a little bit of work to it, and I'll turn around and show you in just a second, but I won't be able to post another video till either Wednesday or Thursday. Me and the guys from work, we have us a Sasquatch or a Bigfoot group, and we go camping twice a year, and this is my weekend to go camping, so we're going to go camping looking for the big hairy bastard. So that's what's happening there. So I'll have to shut up and turn this around. Alright, here we are. This is what I've gotten done so far on the Corvette. Alright, so I'm making a Sebring car. It's a race car. I'll zoom in right here. I don't know if you can see that too good or not. I'm putting in the gas tank door right there, or a gas cap. Not going to be a door because, you know, of course the gas would have been underneath one of the tail lights. But it being a race car, it had to be easy access. Well, on the actual car, that's where it was at. So I cut a hole in the side of it, and I'll get it to focus. You can see where I'm doing a lot of sanding on it and everything. I still got to prime and everything. And I used an old battery, check that out, just to fill in the hole. I cut it down to size, and you can see right there where the filler neck's going to be, and I just I'll put a chrome cap there for the gas cap. And then I put some panel line wash in here just to see where how deep and how thin my lines are, and I'm starting to scribe them out. You can see they are so shallow. I think Russell's had the same problem. They are so shallow that I'm doing a lot of scribing and messing up and sanding. Of course, there's going to be a lot of sanding before it's all said and done. And another thing I've gotten done is let that focus in there. I've gotten the roll pan in. It needs to be sanded down a little bit. Then I got the front roll pan glued on. That focus, there you go. I got it glued on. I got the motor halves together. That's kind of a crappy motor too, you know. I'm with Russ. There's so much flash on this thing. I mean, my gosh. I haven't seen so much flash since Flashdance. But all I'm doing is just cleaning stuff up. And I've got that front end. I got that from Russell. He had already got his front end done like that, ready for paint. The rear end's glued together. Still got a lot of flash. There's the top, the hood. I'm using the steel wheels on this because it's the race car. Race helmet. Some gauges right there. Fire extinguisher. And just all kinds of odd and end parts over here for the front end. Steering wheel. I got some chrome parts here, and I'm not really going to hardly use anything. I got all the chrome parts I needed in a what you call it, stripper right there. I'm stripping the chrome parts for the valve cover and the old oil panels, chrome, some little odd and end parts that I'm stripping. About the only thing I'm going to use is this windshield thing, this front end pieces right here. And then, you know, of course, maybe a few little handles or this or that. I really don't know. Not much. I think the car actually requires the back bumper, which I'll use the back bumper. And I got a whole box here full of miscellaneous parts that won't even be used. But it's got a lot of neat parts. You can build it like 7 or 8 different ways. But that's what I thought I'd show you right there, Russell. I've gotten it started, and like I said, after our little Bigfoot camping trip, I'll get back on it and do another video. I'll try to do at least one video a week. Here's some of my older hot rod builds right there. That's 1/16 scale. I've got cabinets full of stuff and all this crap in here in the model room. But alright, this is Sean from the Scale Model Car Guy channel signing out.